Guys, how you doing? So, quick question I often get. I've just had a few emails actually on this question. A lot of people are trying out the new pre-workout, which is pretty out there. It's strong and too strong for a lot of people, and it's called Roids from the Never Enough range. So that is one of the most insane pre-workouts ever. To me, it's the best pre-workout I've ever taken in all the years I've trained, but that's to me personally, one scoop. So the question I get is, do you take it all the time in every session? And my answer, and Jordan I think has done a little thing on this before himself, is no. You take it when you need it. So my personal thing, I train legs twice a week because of an insulting comment I got from my daughter. She said my body was out of proportion because my upper body was hench and my legs was chickens. So twice a week since that insult from my 15-year-old daughter. So I use it twice a week with legs, and I use it with back because I hate training back. The other days I actually use a stimulant-free pre-workout, so it's just a little bit of a change around. And like when I'm doing arms or chest, I just love the pump. So the stimulant-free side of things, I enjoy working them out. Shoulders as well, crazy. So use it wisely. I wouldn't use it every day. And this is coming from someone who sells pre-workouts. I wouldn't use it every day. Use it when you need it. Would you change it after using it for a month or 2 months? Yes, I would. I'd switch it around. You know, I'd do what I do and get two different ones, a stim free and then a stim one. The Roids, however, is crazy good, but crazy strong. So be very, very wary of that fact. It's too strong for some people. That's not being patronizing or some clever sales thing. It's just a fact. You know, more is not always better. You might find something that suits you a bit more down the line, a bit less stimulant, a bit less focused. So guys, have a great day. Speak to you soon. Take it easy.